Good morning, lovely kids. Hope you all are enjoying this online classes. So, children, today we will learn some English rhymes and some new letters of English alphabets. Okay, we will learn some new letters of English alphabets. And previously we have learned two alphabets. That is letter A and B. Capital A and capital B. So today we will learn some more letters. Okay, so ready? I know you all are ready. So firstly we will do a quick reading of English alphabets from your book, that is Letter World book. Okay, that is Letter World book. So all of you open your book. Open your Letter World book. Okay, and open page number 10. Open page number 10, that is letter A. Okay, that is letter A. Okay, so we will do a quick reading, then we will start our writing portion. Okay, so let's start. Capital A and small a. A is for apple. A is for apple. So here we will write a small A double P L E apple, because apple starts with the letter A. Okay, so now this is ant. This is ant. Ant starts with the letter A. So here also we will write A. Okay, this is X. X means Kulhari. Okay, and X also starts with the letter A. So here also we will write A. This is aeroplane. This is aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. And aeroplane also starts with the letter A. So here also we will write letter A. Okay? Wait. Miss will also write. Okay? Children, see. Letter A. A and A. Okay, and you have to color this apple. Okay, firstly you will trace it, and then you all have to color this apple. Okay, now next letter. This is capital B and this is small b. Capital B and small b. So B is for bat. B is for bat. And bat starts with the letter B. Bat starts with the letter B. So here we will write B. Okay. Now B is for bus. Bus starts with the letter B. So here we will write B. This is ball. Ball starts with the letter B. So here also we will write B. Okay. Now this is bell. Bell starts with the letter B. So here also we will write B. Okay. So again you all have to trace this bell. Let me trace it. Like this you all will trace this. You all will join all the dotted lines. Okay. See, I have completed. This is bell and you have to color this. Okay. And this B letter also, this A letter also, you all have to color. Now coming to the next letter, that is letter C. This is capital C and this is small c. This is capital C and this is small c. C is for cat. Cat starts with the letter C. C is for cup. Cup starts with the letter C. C is for car. Car starts with the letter C. C is for cow. Cow starts with the letter C, and C is for cup. So you all have to trace these lines, these dotted lines. Okay. Then it will form a cup. And then you all have to color this cup. Okay. And you have to color this C also. Okay. So now next. This is capital D and this is small d. Capital D and small d. D is for doll. D is for doll. Doll starts with the letter D. D is for dog. Dog starts with the letter D. D is for duck. Duck starts with the letter D. And D is for drum. Drum starts with the letter D. And this is duck. So you all are knowing now what you all have to do. Firstly, you have to trace this duck. You have to join all the dotted lines. Then it will form a duck. You will draw a beautiful duck. Okay, then you all have to color this duck. And what is the color of duck? Yellow. What is the color of duck? Yellow. And what is the color of the beak? Orange. Okay. So color this picture and color this alphabet also. D. Okay. So now next. C. Draw a circle around the pictures in each row that begins with the same letter. A is for aeroplane. So we will circle the aeroplane. A is for cat. No. A is for X. So we will circle the X. Okay, now next. B is for bus. So we will circle the bus. B is for ball. So we will circle the ball also. Now B is for drum. No, this is wrong. Okay, now next. C is for bell. No, this is wrong. C is for car. So we will circle the car. C is for cup. So we will circle the cup. Now next. D is for doll. So we will circle the doll. D is for ant. No, this is wrong. D is for duck. So we will circle the duck. Okay. So copy each letter in the given empty box. You have to copy letter A here, letter B here, letter C here, letter D here. Easy. Okay. Now next page. B is for bus. A is apple starts with the letter A. So we will match the apple with the A. Dog starts with the letter D. So we will match the D with the letter D. Cup starts with the letter C. This is cup now. And cup starts with the letter C. So we will match the cup with the letter C. And this is drum. And drum starts with the letter D. So we will match the drum with the letter D. This is cat and the cat says meow. So the cat starts with the letter C. So we will match this cat with letter C. This is bat. Bat starts with the letter B. This is B. So we will match this letter with this. We will match this picture with the letter B. This is ant. And ant starts with the letter A. So where is A? This is letter A. So we will match this letter with the A. Okay. And here also copy each letter in the given empty box. So you have to copy letter A here, B here, C here and D here. Done. Easy. So now next page. Read the letter and paste the pictures that begins with the same letter. You have to paste the pictures. Okay, here. So see children, the pictures are given here. Wait. Here at the back side of your book, some pictures are given. Okay. So A is for apple. So you have to, A is for apple. So you have to stick this apple here. And similarly you will stick all the pictures. Okay. So now come on page number 22. This is capital E and this is small e. This is egg. An egg starts with the letter E. This is ear. Ear starts with the letter E. This is elephant. Elephant starts with the letter E. And this is eagle. Eagle starts with the letter E. And you have to trace this egg and then you will color this egg. Okay. So here we have completed our exercises also till letter E. Okay. So now we will learn how to make letters C, D and E in copy. Okay. In book it is given small letter. Small letter is given na. So you will practice capital letters in copy. You are practicing, no? So now open your copy, collect your stationeries, settle down properly and sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Okay? So let's see how to make letters C, D and E. So children, this is letter C. This is letter C. As Miss has already told you, there are 4 lines in English copy. 4 lines means line number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have to use first 3 lines only. We have to use first 3 lines only. Okay. So today we will learn how to make letter C. We will learn how to make letter C. So let's draw. Okay. So we will start from the top. Okay. Then make a curve and touch the 3rd line. This is letter C. This is letter C. Starts from the top, come down, make a curve and touch the letter 3rd line. This is letter C. Capital C. C is for cat. C is for caterpillar. C is for cake. Okay. Again we will practice. Starting from the top, come down, make a curve and then touch the 3rd line. Okay. This is letter C. Again we will practice. Starting from the top, make a curve, come down, touch the 3rd line. This is letter C. Again we will do. Start from the 1st line and make a curve, come down, touch the 3rd line. This is letter C. Again, starting from the top, make the curve, come down and touch the 3rd letter. This is letter C. Again we will do. Starting from the top, coming down, making a curve and then touch the 3rd line. This is letter C. This is letter children, we will practice this letter C in our English copy now. Okay, so open your English copy and I have told you now you have to collect your stationeries and sharpen your pencil. Just open your copy. So children, let's start making letter C in our copy. So firstly we will write the date. So what date is today? Today is 23. Today is 23. So here we will write 2, 3, 7, 2, 0 and 2, 0. Okay. So here we will write C, W. Okay. So now we will start making letter C. Okay. So see all of you how we will make letter C. Okay. See children, as I have told you, we will write only first 4 lines in the copy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and rest of the lines will be your homework. So here we will write H, W. So this is our homework. Okay. So let's start making letter C. Okay. This, how many lines are there? You can see the lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines are there for first, but firstly we will use only first 3 lines, that is line number 1, 2, 3. Okay, we will use only these 3 lines. Okay, so let's start making letter C. Okay, we will start from the top, make a curve, come down. This is letter C. Again, start from the top, make a curve, come down. This is letter C. Start from the top, make a curve, come down. This is letter C. Start from the top, make a curve, come down. This is letter C. Again, start from the top, make a curve, come down. And this is letter C. Again, like this you will write in your copy also. Okay, this is your class work now, and same thing you have to do in your homework also, in rest of the pages, half of the other half of the page. Okay, this is letter C. Okay, so here we have completed letter C. Now rest half you will do after the class. Okay. Now children, this is letter D. We have practiced letter C. Now coming to the letter D. This is letter D. This is letter D. So now we will learn how to make letter D. So look at here. Here also we will use only first 3 lines. Okay. So firstly we will make a standing line starting from the top, coming to the bottom to the third line. This is standing line. Go up, then make a curve, come down till the bottom. Okay, this is letter D. This is letter D. Again we will practice. Starting from the top, come down, touch the third line, then go up, come down, make a curve and then touch the third line. This is letter D. Starting from the top, come down, go up, make a curve and touch the third line. This is letter D. Okay? Starting from the top, come down, go up, make a curve till the bottom line. This is letter D. Again, starting from the top, come down, go up, then make a curve till the bottom line. This is letter D. Okay, starting from the top, come down, go up, make a curve till the bottom line. Okay, again, Starting from the top, come down, go up, make a curve till the bottom line. Here we have completed letter D also. Okay. So now we will practice letter D. Now we will practice this letter D in our English copy. So let's practice. This is letter D. This is letter D. Okay. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for drum. Okay. So firstly we will write the date. So what date is today? Today is 23/7/20 and 20. Okay. Now we will start making letter D. Make a standing line. Go up. Make a curve till the bottom line. Okay. Make a standing line from first line to the third line. Go up. Make a curve till the bottom line. Put a dot over here. Come down, make a standing line. Go up. Make a curve till the bottom line. Okay. Again, standing line, then a curve. Standing line, then a curve. Again, standing line, then a curve. Standing line, and then a curve. This is letter D. Standing line, then a curve. Again, standing line, then a curve. This is letter D. Only 4 lines you have to write. Okay. And now from this line, your homework is there. Okay. In the same way, you will complete this page. Okay. These lines. Okay. In the same way, you will complete this page also. Okay. So here also write CW because this is your class work, no? Okay. So children, we have completed letter D also. So now coming to the letter E. Coming to the letter E. This is letter E. This is letter E. So let's start making letter E. And in this also we will use 3 lines. Okay. So let's start making. Put a dot over here. Come down till the third line. Then go up. Make one sleeping line on the first line. Then make another sleeping line on the second line. And then make another sleeping line on the third line. This is letter E. This is letter E. Again, standing line, sleeping line, another sleeping line, and another sleeping line. This is letter E. Again, put a dot over here, make a standing line, then sleeping line, again sleeping line, and this again. Okay, this is letter E. Again we will do standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. This is letter E and this is very simple. Okay, you have to make only 3 lines. Only 3 lines. No one will draw more than 3 lines. Okay, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines. No. Only 3 lines. Okay, each lines of the English copy. Okay, now again put a dot over here, come down, then make a sleeping line on the first line, another sleeping line on the second line, another sleeping line on the third line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. Okay, so we have completed letter E in on board. So now we will do letter E in our copy. We will do letter E in our copy. Okay. Okay, so let's practice letter E in our copy. Okay.
Now children, this is letter E. This is letter E. Okay, so firstly we will put a date over here. Write date. What date is today? Today is 23/7/2020 and CW. Okay, so right now we will start making letter E. Okay, so start. Make a standing line, go up, sleeping line on the first line, sleeping line on the second line, and sleeping line on the third line. Again, standing line, then a sleeping line, and a sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. Okay, now again, standing line, sleeping line, and a sleeping line. Again, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. In the same way, you will do all the you will complete this page. Okay, so here we have completed letter E. Okay, and rest of the homework. Okay, so here we have completed letter E also. Okay,
So children, as we have completed letters C, D and E in our copy, okay, in our copy also, so we will write those letters, whatever we have done in our copy, we will do the same in our book also, okay. So we have not written letter A and B in our book, okay. So today you will do letter A and B in your book, okay. So this is letter A. This is letter A. Okay. And this is small a. So you only have what you have to do. Only you have to trace letter A. Small a. Okay. So see how you all will do. Here the dots are given. Just put your pencil on the dots. Join the dots. Go up and come down. Just make a curl, go up and come down. We will make small letter A in the middle line only. We will make small letter A in the middle line only. So again we will do. Okay? Like this only. Okay, we have done letter A. Now letter B. See, this is letter B. This is letter B. So today we will do letter B also. Okay. So standing line, then coming to the second line and make a small curve. Make a small curve. Then again standing line, coming to the second line and make a small curve till the bottom line. Okay, again standing line, going to the second line, make a small curve till the bottom line. Okay, so you will do this also. Okay, so kids, you all have learned how to make letters C, D and E. Okay, so now it's a rhyme time. Okay, so open page number 16. Open page number 16. Hop a little, jump a little. Okay. So firstly you will read from the book. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap, 1 knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in. your bed. One more time. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap, 1 knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Okay, now with action. Okay. Firstly, we will hop. Hop means jump. Okay, a little jump. Okay. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap, tap, 1 knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Okay, now see this slide.
Jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap your knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little on your bed. Little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap your knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little on your bed.
Now next sign, that is hot cross buns. Okay. So now firstly we will read this line. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughter, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Again, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughter, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now again. Let's start. Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Okay, so now enjoy the slide.
Hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Here we have completed our English text also and English rhymes also. I hope you all have enjoyed a lot. Okay, so complete your homework, whatever Miss has given you. Okay, in the copy, in the book, lots of homeworks are there, no? So you have to complete all of the homeworks. Okay, so bye bye, take care.